Hi, what can I get for you today? Yes, I would like to have your most expensive champagne and only one glass. All right, and for your father? This not this is not my father. I'm so sorry, I assumed he's your father because I heard you call him dad. Oh. In that case, what will the gentleman have? For him, just the bill. Right.
Kind of stuck right now, so I'll get back to you.